Welcome back to another episode of Leatherings, the podcast where we explore the latest trends and timeless styles. I'm your host, and today we're diving into the world of men's fashion with a focus on the Cognac Leather Jacket. This classic and stylish piece is a must-have in any man's wardrobe. The Cognac Leather Jacket is crafted from high-quality, genuine leather, ensuring a jacket that not only looks great but also feels luxurious to the touch. The leather is soft and supple, allowing for both comfort and durability. It's a jacket that will withstand the test of time, never going out of fashion. Featuring a classic biker style, this jacket exudes a rugged and effortlessly cool vibe. The zip-up closure adds a touch of functionality while maintaining a sleek and streamlined look. It's a timeless design that never fails to make a statement. Practicality meets style with the inclusion of two front pockets. These pockets not only add an element of functionality, allowing you to store your essentials on the go, but they also enhance the overall aesthetic of the jacket. They provide a subtle detail that adds to the overall charm and appeal. In addition to the front pockets, the Cognac Leather Jacket boasts two interior pockets. These pockets offer a secure and discreet place to store your valuables, such as your wallet or phone. It's all about convenience and keeping your essentials within reach. The versatility of the cognac color cannot be overstated. It's a flattering and timeless shade that complements a wide range of skin tones and pairs well with various outfits. Whether you're going for a casual look with jeans or dressing up with chinos or a suit, the Cognac Leather Jacket adds a touch of sophistication and style. One of the key benefits of the Cognac Leather Jacket is its durability and longevity. With proper care and maintenance, this jacket will remain a staple in your wardrobe for years to come. It's an investment piece that only gets better with age, developing a unique patina that adds character and charm. Not only does the Cognac Leather Jacket exude style, but it also provides comfort and ease of wear. The supple leather molds to your body, offering a personalized fit and allowing for ease of movement. It's a jacket that you'll feel confident and comfortable in, no matter the occasion. Furthermore, the leather material offers warmth and weather resistance, making it suitable for various seasons and climates. It's a jacket that keeps you both stylish and protected from the elements. So, gentlemen, if you're looking for a classic and stylish leather jacket that will never go out of fashion, the Cognac Leather Jacket is the perfect choice. Its high-quality craftsmanship, timeless design, and versatile color make it a must-have in your wardrobe. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Leatherings. Stay tuned for more exciting fashion insights and trends. Until next time.